Success doesn't come from what you do once in a while. It comes from what you do every single day. Every action, every thought, every decision you take becomes a brick in the foundation of your future. Today, I want to share with you 5 things you must improve daily if you truly want to transform your life. These are the habits that separate the average from the extraordinary, the weak from the strong, and the dreamers from the doers. I'm not sharing theories. I'm sharing principles that shaped my life, lessons I learned from failure, rejection, and the journey of building something from nothing. Number 1, improve your mindset. Your life will never rise higher than your mindset. If you wake up every morning thinking small, you'll live small. If you see obstacles instead of opportunities, you'll stay stuck where you are. When I was young, I failed many exams. I was rejected from dozens of jobs. Even KFC didn't hire me. But I refused to let rejection define me. I trained my mind to think differently. Instead of asking, why me? I started asking, what can I learn from this? Every day, train your mind to focus on growth. Read something positive. Listen to motivational content. Spend time feeding your brain with success, because the moment you start improving your mindset, your life begins to shift. Your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your destiny. Number 2, improve your discipline. Dreams are easy. Discipline is hard. Everyone wants success, but few are willing to wake up early, work when they're tired, and stay consistent when no one is watching. Discipline means doing what you said you would do even when you don't feel like it. When I built Alibaba, it wasn't about having the smartest people. It was about having people who never gave up, people who were disciplined enough to keep going when things looked impossible. Each day, push yourself to be 1% more disciplined than yesterday. Wake up on time. Avoid distractions. Stick to your goals, because success is not about motivation. It's about consistency. Discipline is the silent force that transforms potential into power. Number 3, improve your communication. If you cannot communicate your ideas clearly, your talent stays invisible. When I started Alibaba, I wasn't the smartest person. I wasn't even good at technology, but I knew how to communicate, how to inspire, how to make people believe in the vision. Communication is not just about speaking. It's about connecting. It's about listening, understanding, and inspiring others through your words and actions. Practice speaking daily, not to impress, but to express. Learn to listen deeply. Learn to tell your story, because people don't follow plans, they follow belief, and belief is built through words. The better you communicate, the more opportunities you create. Number 4, improve your health and energy. You can't change the world if you don't take care of yourself. Every day, work on your physical and mental energy. Eat well, move your body, protect your peace. Don't let stress and negativity drain your potential. When your health is weak, your dreams fade. But when your energy is strong, you move mountains. Make small improvements daily. Sleep on time, drink more water, walk, meditate, or simply take a few minutes to breathe and reflect. Success is a marathon, not a sprint, and if you burn out early, you'll never reach your destination. Your body is your greatest asset. Treat it like gold. Number 5, improve your kindness and gratitude. No matter how far you go, never forget to be kind. The world needs more people who lift others up instead of tearing them down. Every day, practice gratitude. Thank the people who help you, appreciate what you already have, and find ways to serve others. When I built Alibaba, I told my team we are not here to make money. We are here to make value. Money follows value, and value comes from helping people. Gratitude opens your heart, and kindness connects you to greatness. The more good you give, the more good comes back to you multiplied. So, remember these 5 things you must improve every single day: your mindset, your discipline, your communication, your health, and your kindness. If you grow just 1% every day, in 1 year, you will be 37 times better. Don't wait for the perfect day to start. The perfect day is today. Improve daily, Grow constantly, and soon you'll realize success is not something you chase, it's something you become. Subscribe.